Okay, so if I turn this to manual and go to counterclockwise and change this, everything, see, all this stuff came on. So if I hit stop, all that came turned off. Now if I change the direction, I've got this one and these lights that came on. Oh wait, oops. But it still doesn't work. So if I try to hit start, all those come on. If I change direction, okay, so 50. I don't understand how this thing works, but I hope this makes sense. So if you watch the lights clockwise, that one turned green, and counterclockwise that goes away. Clockwise, or I don't know what that's supposed to be. I get these lights, and I do that, they turn off. So I don't know, hopefully somebody that knows this way better than I do can make some sense out of that. But at least right now, I just made a new program here, and I don't know why that's doing that. I've got to figure that out, but it does at least work and sort of do what it's supposed to do now, and just by changing that M3 to an M4 in the program. So right here it just stops because it's looking for an M40, which I've got to figure out what that is. So thank you for at least getting me this far. At least I can make some stuff. I just can't reverse the lathe. So that gets me way further than I was before. So thank you very much. Hopefully this will get us further than we were. Thank you.